With the continuous development of cutting-edge new technology, electrolytic paste ball press equipment is also in steady innovation. For example, in the aspect of noise control of electrolytic paste ball press, the noise of the equipment produced today is much smaller than in the past. The power consumption is greatly reduced, and the pellet formation rate of raw materials is also increasingly high, further reducing the probability of rework of raw materials. Electrolytic paste ball pressing machine is mainly widely used in related industries. To press electrolytic powder, electrolytic sludge, etc., are also used in the energy chemical industry, power plant industry, transportation industry, and metallurgical industry. The use of electrolytic paste ball pressing machine can be those remaining in the final difficult to press forming some materials for pressing forming. Its use can greatly save a lot of energy.